Dolls, do you know that Walmart is starting to bring out their new arrivals, especially when it comes to shoes? So here is a pair that I just got, and I am so excited to unbox this with you. But we are also going to go to Walmart today. So if you're interested to see Walmart's new spring arrivals, you know what to do. Keep on watching. In my kitchen, about to unbox this with you. This is a pair of sneakers and I am so excited. Hopefully they fit. Get in here. It's really hard to do it with one hand. I already took a peek. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Look at how beautiful these sneakers are. You know they're giving designer. I got them in the black. $19.98, no boundaries, size 8. This is what they look like on. I'm obsessed. Size 8, I would say, I mean, I have a little bit of room, but I'm okay with my size 8. I think if I got a 7.5, it'd be too tight. These are not so good. Okay, let's go to Walmart and check out the new spring arrivals. These are amazing. You better get these because they're selling out. This is one of my favorite Walmarts to come to when I want to check out the new arrivals when it comes to the shoe department. This Walmart, majority of the time, they are very organized, and so this is why I like coming. The other day I came in and they had a bunch of sandals, so I am very excited to share some new arrivals. So let's go in the store and check it out. Shoe heaven right here. Look at all these sandals that they have out right now. Who remembers these from last year? So we have a couple that are returning again this spring and summer. And we have some color, we have some bling bling, we have some thongs, we have some gladiator style. And so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just choose maybe about, hopefully I can find 10 new pairs, try them on for you. And remember that I'm gonna link everything down below, so hopefully a majority are online already. So let's go ahead and pick some out and try them on. These are some Time and True embellished slides that go for $14.98, but I can tell you this, that they are pretty narrow and they're running pretty small, so I'm definitely gonna size up. So the 8s feel too tight and I went up to 8.5, and these feel so much better. I love the detail that it has here. I don't want to open it, but these green ones are really cute if you want to pop a color this spring and summer. And this one does have silver hardware and the white ones have gold. So let me know down below which one would you get. Again, $14.98. It has a little bit of a square style, not too much. It does have the memory foam shoes. I honestly like the green, but I know I'd get most wear by going with the white colors. Time and True, these are some thong strap sandals. They also have the memory foam, and these go also for $14.98. I really love this right here. Does not look cheap, does not feel cheap. The only thing is, I don't know if I mean they're cute, but I don't normally go for thong sandals because I feel like you know, wearing them for a long period of time, they might hurt. Let me know down below if you like these style of sandals, but they are super cute and I really love the color. Make sure to check out the links down below just to check if they have other colors available. It does have more of a square shape than the previous sandals I just showed you. True to size, very pretty. I really like the color on these. These are Time and True's woven slides. These are also super cute, slip-on style. They are flat, but they do have the memory foam footbed. These go for $12.98. There is half sizes available. True to size, I'm wearing a size 8, and it not only comes in this cognac color, but it also comes in a multicolor. Very pretty. I actually like this style better than I did last year's. It does have more of a round toe. They are super comfortable, dolls. Walmart shoes are so comfortable, and like, come on, dolls. I love the prices here. Sandals are the same as the previous sandals I just showed you, except these are in the multicolor. These are very cute too. Comment down below which ones you will be choosing. How cute are these Joe Boxer double band emoji slide sandals? These would be perfect to the pool. I mean, just to be around home. Very comfortable. These originally are $16, but here at this Walmart they are $10. Well, don't these look like charms? But you know, they're attached to the sandal. You can't take them off, but I really like the detail, and I think they're just super fun. And again, if you can find them in store for $10, I think they are so worth it. The comfort is there. So these are from Time and True. These are called the Lifestyle Flip Flop wedges. They go for $12.98, and these only come in whole sizes, and this is the only color option. I'm wearing my size 8, so true to size. I feel like this sandal is definitely for my glam dolls that like the rhinestone embellishment. They are available in sizes 6 through 11. Like I said, if you like to be more glam, this is the sandal for you. These are No Boundaries platform slide sandals. They come in half sizes and whole sizes. These go for $22.98, and then there's the black option, and then also in white. I absolutely love these. They do feel a little bit heavier. They do have the platform style and then an espadrille like design. Love the espadrille detail because it has the mixture of, it has the black incorporated in the espadrille, so really pretty. I love the stitching here. $22.98. The quality is there, and it also has a memory foam. And if you don't like these, you want something brighter, they also come in white. No Boundaries elastic strap sandals that go for $19.98. These are available in whole and half sizes. I'm wearing my size 8 and they're feeling a little bit true to size, but the strap here is pretty tight here. So I don't know if these would be comfortable to wear all day. They come in the tan color. They also come in black. I do find that this part here and the strap here is a little bit more on the snug side. So if you have wide feet, you might want to size up, or you might not want to get these because they do feel really snug. But it has more of a square toe style. And although it says that this is stretchy, again, it feels a little snug. So these are from Time and True. These are the block heels. These go for $22.98. I'm wearing a size 8, and honestly they do feel a little bit snug here in this area, so you might want to consider sizing up. It does have the strap here, and I think last year they had a version like this, but the strap here was a little bit more puffy, and this has a little bit of puff but not too much like the last year's one, so I actually like these way better. Also has the memory foam, so just consider sizing up. In store they have them in tan and in black. Not sure if other colors are available online, but again, check out the links down below. These are from Time and True. They're the knot wedge sandals that go for $24.98. I am wearing them in size 8, and this part here, I find that a lot of the shoes that have the strap here are feeling a little snug, so I would definitely have to size up. And they are available in half sizes too. So there's this bone color, and then they also have it in a gold option that looks a little bit more metallic. I feel like they do give like a sophisticated look. They're sleek. Really like the height of the wedge, so it's not too tall, and I think this right here just gives a very pretty detail to the sandal. The wedge is about 2.25 inches tall, and then of course, as you can see, it has an adjustable ankle strap with a buckle closure, and I'm really liking the texture of the cute detail that the sandal has. So that is all for the sandals, dolls, the spring sandals. I want to get into some sneakers here that I'm just seeing right now. These are from Avian. These are a bestseller right now. These are their Air Athletic sneakers that go for $22.98. Has this cute little air bubble. They are definitely giving Nike vibes line. There is 3 options, but it looks like right now the only color available is the white one, which are these. I really like the pop of black here, so you know, gym. Think of these for out for a run, them out for errands. They are really comfortable, and they also have the memory foams. These are also an amazing sneaker. These are from No Boundaries. They're the casual high top sneakers. Let me know down below if you are a low top or a high top type of doll. These go for $22.98. Half sizes and whole sizes are available. I'm wearing them in 8, and they feel true to size. It says the classic white design with the off-white accents is a fashion forward and classic at the same time. It has the lace-up construction. They are currently sold out online, but don't miss out on checking out the link, because sometimes you have that store pickup option, or again, you can check out your local Walmarts. This part right here has like a suede detail. These sneakers can also be perfect for the everyday wear. Here is my final review with these sneakers. I 1000% recommend. I'm obsessed. As I mentioned earlier, they do run a little bit big, but I decided to keep my size 8 because I know that a 7.5 will probably be too tight, because I feel that they are a little bit narrow. So I feel like a size 8, although they run a little big, I have a little bit of room, and I just want to share that I love them. You should get them. So many colors available. Run before they sell out. Unfortunately, I don't see these in store. Link down below so that you can get your pair of designer looking sneakers, only $20. That still has me in shock, because I feel like for $20 these are so good. So dolls, if I had to share which ones are my favorites, I would say these are definitely my favorites. Remember, size up on these because they are a little bit tight. My second option, the No Boundaries espadrille wedges, really cute, definitely a favorite as well. $22.98. Also size up on these sandals. They're all really cute sandals, dolls, but I just wanted to share my top faves. And then these sneakers, dolls, if you are looking for some new white sneakers, definitely pick these up. Run errands, Target runs, Walmart runs. These are really, really good, true to size. You can see so many other shoes are coming out here at Walmart, but a lot of these shoes I feel like came out last spring and summer, so that's why I didn't really show them. But do go check out your local Walmart. And again, I did link down below all the shoes that I tried on for you, dolls. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button. As always, dolls, God willing, we will talk to you on the next one. Bye.